Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Of staff, please, please, off the camera, off.
Please settle down, let's have the attention this way. Please settle down, reduce the noise, thank you. Reduce the noise, thank you, because the press is here. Let's have
It is obvious that at this point, we need to join hands with him to build a Nigeria that we'll be proud of. We need all governors to recognize that it is not party, it is character, it is integrity, it is honor, it is commitment to the vision of this great nation. That we want to, as a team, walk ahead of the president by working towards building a prosperous country, that the succession process of 2023 will come without the fears and worries that the international community holds. If every one of us as governors join hands with Mr. President, I think we can sit on the same dining table and agree on a way to govern this country. Our population, over 207 million people, with the kind of political tension we have, we can't afford to sustain it. And as a professor, having seen the sincerity and commitment of Mr. President, having seen the progress attained so far, having seen the associated tension occasioned by the increasing social media manipulation to create a level of hysteria, having recognized the challenges of our youths and issues of unemployment and the associated challenges therefrom, it's my responsibility as the leader of the party in Cross River State, as the leader of the people in Cross River State from the political perspective, to do all I can to assist Mr. President succeed. It is in this process and recognizing the role of Cross River State, a state that has been reduced to want in body, in spirit, and in soul, a state whose revenue and resources have been taken, a state whose territorial boundaries have been interfered with. It's my responsibility to resocket Cross River State to the center. I therefore, on behalf of the entire people of Cross River State, to the extent that I believe in the philosophy and idea of peace and unity, that Cross River State is today formally declared as an APC state.
National anthem. National anthem. National anthem.
For the state song and national anthem. The witness rise for the state song and national anthem.
As My name is Honorable Buni, the Executive Governor of Yobe State and Caretaker Chairman of the APC. And I'm here on behalf of the APC family to welcome His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Cross River State, Professor Ben Ayade, formally into APC. As from today, he is the leader of the party, APC in Cross River State.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Digital excellence.
Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is announcing the arrival of His Excellency, the Digital Governor of Cross River State. Please remain standing for the state song and national anthem. Your Excellency, to invite for a very, very short opening prayer, the Digital Governor of Cross River State. Your Excellency, State, the Honorable Speaker, Cross River State House of here present, the Chairman, Peace, the very distinguished Senator Victor Ndoma Emba, SAN, and Etienne Dr. Asupo Ebeyon OON member, Wara member, Dr. Alfred Boto KSL member, the local government councils here present, members of Banku Ako, the Chief of Staff, Honorable Chief Martins Ori, State Chief of Protocol, Mr. Emmanuel Efiong Asibo Free Commission, Permanent Secretaries, His Majesty Obai,
Chairman. Yes, I will. No, that's what I'm going to do next. So, congratulations. 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 So, I've actually whispered that for this special occasion, every one of you ought to have a copy of the Bible in your hands for this inauguration, because it's a very solemn inauguration. With your hearts supplicating before God for clemency and sincerity, please, I inaugurate this panel and committee on the reconciliation and rehabilitation and the rehabilitation, very key, and the rehabilitation of the Ebom Ebichaga and the Diba Osmoton communities, and to put an end to their dispute. This day, the 18th of May, 2021, you are hereby so inaugurated. Congratulations. Your appointment letters are already in place, and I shall personally hand over the appointment letters to you. So at this point, I will call on Senator Victor Ndomaiba. Senator Victor Ndomaiba, SAN. Congratulations. 18, Dr. Asupo Ekwenyo. Ntufam Dr. Peter Oje, Mr. Patrick Iwara, Dr. Alfred Mboto, PSM, Mr. Jacob Odida, Secretary. Thank you very much. As you return to your seat, the chairman of the committee will then give us acceptance speech.
Do I need to write my...
I hope it's not.
Ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank you so very much for being and thanks and praise in Jesus' name. Please give the community peace. Please give Ebonyi.
Land of open, we pledge to as men and women free, of faith, of right. We pledge to be as arms and hands through the years to be.
Interview with the chairman. Where is Charles? The chairman, yes. He will come, that's the council chairman. Yes, that's the council chairman.